Everybody, today we are going to cook Japanese fried rice. Half a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Clove of garlic, finely chopped. And that's finely chopped. Rice. $25 grams of butter. Let the butter melt in there to coat the rice. Really nice nutty flavor. I can smell the rice cooking quite nice now. And the butter coating it. Turn down our heat. Half a teaspoon of just normal table salt to give a bit of a salty taste. In our 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seed, we sprinkle in our nori seed or seaweed seed. We cut it in small pieces. There you go. Our rice is cooked.